it on high speed. I think I should close the door so nobody can hear me. There we go. See, it is going to be really loud. Ooh, that's pretty loud. It is going to pop, is it? That's really scratch marks on the balloon. This is the balloon. Ooh, that's loud. Wow. This is pretty loud. I don't think I should turn it on high. This is gonna be loud. Oh, God. It still didn't pop. Ooh. I think I should turn it down to the medium. It does sound a little bit different though. This medium. Should I put it in reverse? Yeah, it's a little bit smushy. Ooh. Still pretty loud though. Ooh. Almost. You almost got the blades. Ooh. I think I should put it about the high. I don't know, I can put it in reverse. Put it in reverse, rah! Oh, God. Dang. I don't know, I should put it in reverse for this. Oh yeah, it's getting ready to pop. I can't do this anymore. I think I should put it in the low. Because this is loud. Yeah, it is smushy. It's almost out of air. Ooh. I think I should put it in medium. This is high? Yeah, it's medium. Medium. It's almost gonna pop. Ooh. This is loud. Oh, missed it. Oh yeah, smushy. Oh. Good one. High is loud, so I think you should put it in reverse. For medium is pretty off balance, so I don't want to see how wobbly this thing is. This is pretty wobbly. I'm afraid it's gonna fall on me. See how balanced this thing is? I can still put it. Ooh. Oh, there it is. I don't know if I can put it on high or reverse, but yeah, this thing's pretty wobbly. I'm not gonna. Oh yeah, look at that. It's getting ready to pop. I don't know what I'm putting over medium anymore. Is it going to pop? It's almost out of air. I think I should put it in low. This is going to pop and bruise. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think it's gonna. It's getting out of air. Look. It's almost out of air.